Hey, are you a contractor? Pool, landscape, fanscape, we can help you. And contractors are getting new rates and we're optimizing their rates and they have more values. We can help you grow. We can help you get variety products like these to your end customer and compete with the best and still make enough profit that you're happy and your customer is still happy with your pricing. And how we do that, basically, you're gonna sign up to our contractor vendor list. We're gonna give you exclusive prices. We're gonna give you help. And how are we gonna help you? Well, you're gonna draft or on blueprints, or on a piece of paper, or on actual picture, the gates that you have, the fences. We'll give you ideas, we'll guide you through, and we'll tell you exactly what parts you need to do it on your own. But we'll also offer you to fully assemble it or even get our sister company to install it for you. So it all depends what way you're gonna go with. For example, our wall cladding. The wall cladding, you don't really need us. You can do it yourself. It's gonna be easy. We can train your guys in our facilities, or we can also have our sister company help you and tie you to them and get that installed as well. And that's really how we help you. Now, we know what works best because we masterpiece on our sister company, the installation part of this business. And now we know how to help you guys grow. The individual are just starting with aluminum. You don't know how to do it. You don't know how to approach. And if you get to a next level, you will get bundle orders to your plant. And that's where you're going to really make those margins on the product. And you can even resell it as well. We'll give you an authorization to resell, authorization to use our data, our engineering, and much more. Beautiful solution for contractors. A lot of varieties. So come grab your magazines, your samples, and get some Al Globus out there.